Ready to organize your Monday.com boards like a pro? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a board from one workspace to another. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple projects or collaborating with different teams, knowing how to quickly and confidently relocate boards will help you keep everything tidy and accessible. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps and the little tips that make the whole process a breeze. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Monday.com dashboard. You can do this from your browser or the desktop app, whatever you prefer. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login information. It's always a good idea to be sure you're on the right account, especially if you work with several organizations or have multiple Monday.com profiles. Once you're in, you'll see your usual grid of boards and workspaces, the home base for all your project management. Now, let's locate the board you want to move. Maybe it's a project that's wrapping up and needs to be archived with other completed work. Or maybe you're merging teams and want to consolidate boards into one workspace. The beauty of Monday.com is that it keeps everything flexible. What you want to do is hover your mouse over that specific board name. As you do, you'll notice a few icons pop up on the right side of the board's entry. Don't rush here, just let your mouse linger a second so you don't accidentally click something else. If you're working on a touch screen, just tap and hold for similar options. Next, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click right on those 3 dots. Monday.com loves to tuck away its powerful tools here, so don't overlook it. This menu holds a bunch of useful actions, and Move to Workspace is one of them. If you don't immediately see it, scroll through the list. Sometimes, depending on your permissions or the type of board, the wording could slightly differ, but Move to Workspace will be there for standard boards. Take a moment to make sure you're not clicking Delete or Archive. Those are nearby, and we don't want any accidental lost boards. Go ahead and select the Move to Workspace option. At this step, Monday.com will present a list of all your available workspaces. Think of workspaces like folders. Each one can represent a different team, department, or phase of a project. Carefully browse the list. It's worth pausing for a second here, especially if your organization has a lot of workspaces. Be sure you're moving the board to the correct destination so you and your collaborators can find it later. Once you've chosen the right workspace, confirm your selection. Monday.com may ask you to double-check the move. This is a little safeguard to prevent accidental organization mishaps. When you're ready, finalize the action, and in just a few seconds, you'll see your board shift over to the new workspace. That's it. Your board is now in its new home, and all your tasks, updates, and users move right along with it. If you have any trouble finding the board afterward, just use the search tool at the top. It's pretty robust and will help you track things down instantly. And don't worry if your board takes a moment to appear. It can take a minute for very large boards or if your internet speeds are lagging. The process itself is safe and doesn't lose any work, so breathe easy. So that's how you move a board to a different workspace in Monday.com. Easy, organized, and totally under your control. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into anything unexpected, drop a comment below so I can help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical Monday.com tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.